Okay, what I want to do now is see if we can build a very simple website. Our topic today was social collaboration, so let's see if it's possible for us to build our own website. Okay, now I've chosen this website building page called Weebly.com. It's quite easy to actually build a very simple website, so I just want you to play with it for this week. Let me go through what we have to do. First thing is to find Weebly.com. I'll put a link, and then we have to over here sign up. Sign up, very easy. You can sign up if you use your QI email. You can sign up that way, and a simple password. Okay. You choose a country, obviously Japan. Then once we come inside, then what we want to do is we want to choose a very simple website. We don't need an online store because we're just going to advertise something around Gunma. So we're going to choose that one, need a website. And then we've got themes. So what's going to be your theme? Is it going to be a restaurant in Gunma? Is it going to be something useful for QI students? Is it going to be something to do with fitness, health? What are you going to choose? So let's see if you can select which theme you like. Next thing you have to do is click on the Start Editing button. Okay. Now once you've done that, there might be something come up saying add your name, like a website name. Don't worry too much about this. If this doesn't work, you can just click it off, because at the end you can save it. Okay. If you see at the bottom it says yourname.weebly.com. Okay, so this is the free option. This is the free option here. Okay, so when you finally save it and publish it, then you can choose yourname.weebly.com. There's no money, it's all free. Okay, so where it says search here, maybe we click that off, so don't worry too much about that, because at the end you can save it as yourname.weebly.com. Okay, so what topics could you have? Once you get to this page, you start to build the website, and I'm going to show you a quick example. Here's some ideas of what you can use. I'm going to choose eating in Gunma. I'm going to choose this one here, eating in Gunma. Okay, so next I'm going to show you a live version, so let's go. Okay, now I've already got a version here, so I'm on the Weebly website. I'm just going to log in with a Google Drive here. I'm going to select our email, and I should go straight in here. Okay, so now I'm in this area, and I'm just going to choose a new site, so add a site here, creating a new site. Okay, so do I want a store? No, I want to just choose information website here, so I'll give that a click, and then we've got all these themes to choose. So I'm going to choose this one, a restaurant. Okay, so it's going to be a burger restaurant, but we want to change it to something in Gunma, somewhere in Gunma. So if I click Start Editing on this side, and we're here in the editing area. Now this comes up, of course, select your domain. I don't think we need this now, so we're going to get rid of that. We're going to come back later. Okay, so now we've got our template, but we have to change all this because it has to be something to do with Gunma, especially the location. Okay, so I'm going to choose a real burger restaurant in Gunma, Tagasaki in fact. So I'm going to edit background. I'm going to take out this picture. I'm going to replace it. So I'm going to look on my computer for a photo that I need. and I'm going to choose this one, which is Tins, which is a real burger restaurant. We're going to select that, and there we go. We have a burger restaurant image. So I'm going to save that. Okay, do I need this? No, I can delete that. Do I need this? No, I can delete that as well. So I'm deleting all these menus because I don't need them. And this one here, I just want the picture only. And this is the last one. Let's see if I can delete that. Alright, so that's all I need, just my picture here. I can change this picture, I can update this text, okay? And so on. I can go down, I can change all this. There's no alcohol, so we can change that. Add in a different picture and a different text. All the prices there are in dollars, we can change that, change the menu. Just by clicking on there, you can change anything, reorganize it, and so on. We go on down. What about location? This is probably the hardest thing to do. We got to change the location. Okay, so obviously here we want it in English, so we would delete that and we would change it to English. But how do we get the map to work? So here it says, if we click on the map, we got address. So if I go to the real burger place, which is here in Gunma, I'm going to copy the address, go over here, see if I can add that as the address, and then see if it updates. Yes, it does. So now, as you can see, we've got the real Gunma Tagasaki address. So this would be changed to English. That would be English version. Okay. And you can change all the data of the times and so on. So that's a real map. It says publish here. We're not finished, but let me just show you the publish. Now it goes to here again. I'm going to just put Simon Sensei here. So I just type the word Simon Sensei, okay, and then it says search. So I'm going to click on search. And there isn't a website called Simon Sensei, so they offer me to pay for these. I don't want to pay. But down the bottom it says subdomain and Weebly, Simon Sensei at Weebly.com. Okay, this is the free one. It says free Weebly branding. Okay, I'm going to choose the free one. And that's going to be my URL. So you can send that to me when you're finished. It says done. And then we're just showing the published version. Okay. And then all you have to do is click on it. We should see that photo, and then all the way down we should see the Gunma location. Okay. And you can always go back, change and republish. Very easy. So see if you can do that and play around.